Alright guys, so we just got a house and we're super excited about it. Wasn't really in the plans or anything like that, but it was something we had to do. We've been renting for the last 10 years and we were just tired of it. We've lived in like 5 different houses in the last 10 years and, you know, either the landlords want to sell their home or they want to move back in, and we can't do it anymore. We have 6 kids and we just want to have some kind of like stability, some kind of security to be able to have a house that's our own. So again, wasn't in the plans, wasn't in the budget. So we're making it work, but we ended up getting an older home. I think it's from the 1960s. It is a little bit smaller. So we do have some work to do on the property. That's what we're doing right now. We have to actually fix up the shed at the bottom because it's all rotted. I'm going to show you in a second, so that the appraiser can come back and approve everything so that we can actually close on the house. We do have some renovations that we have to do inside as well, because again, it is smaller. There's only 3 bedrooms. We need more bedrooms, so we're going to have to add on another couple bedrooms at least. 1 right now and then 1 at another point when we're able to. But we wanted to bring you along for the journey, and if you like this kind of stuff, like, follow for more, and, you know, come on the journey with us and see what it brings. Always finding new things to do. Okay, so this is what we're talking about at the bottom. It's just kind of all rotted out, and it's along the whole perimeter. So we have to get that all fixed up. He's marking it right now where he's going to cut it. We do have one side done so far. So we just did this side, pulled out all the boards. But that's what we're looking at. I'll show you what he does.
Kind of pluck it straight out. There you go. Thank you.
Good job.
Good job, Kyle.
Now he's going to cut it. Got it.
We allowed to go kick him out now?
Go kick him out.
Let's go.
Now the kids are going to go in and kick it out like that.
He doesn't want out.
No, he does.
I didn't want them just kicking it out because it's going to make this whole piece fall down, and I'm at the point right now where I think
The window fall out?
I think I have to
Replace that part.
Yeah.
Oops, sorry.
It's okay. Oh my God, I didn't realize it, baby. I'm sorry. Just don't grab it right now then. Just use that. Just use a hammer.
What happened?
It's hot.
What's hot?
I left it in the sun to fucking...
put it in the shade. Put all.
Alright, and now we gotta get it out. This piece is just falling apart. Oh.
That's what I was saying, babe. I think I've got to pull that whole damn thing.
So we just keep going, getting out?
There you go.
Now just slide it up. Wiggle it up. There you go.
There you go.
Now wiggle it up. Back up, baby. Now you gotta go. we're on our way. We're gonna start driving. I have to go to Lowe's to get him some aluminum snips or metal snips. He had some, but you know, since we're in this, you know, renting this house right now, we put a bunch of stuff in storage just to live kind of minimalist. And he has no idea where they are. We don't want to go try to spend the time to go look for it in the storage that's jam-packed. So I'm just gonna go buy another one. We need that because we're trying to get this project finished today. It's gonna start raining. Fingers crossed we can get it done before it starts pouring on us. All right, we're at Lowe's. Let's see if we can find what we need to find.
Want to take it?
Yeah, take it. All right, got back from Lowe's and they got a lot done. Looking good, looking good. Problem is what?
The door.
The door.
Like this side will be fine because this board is so low. I can just chop off a little bit at the bottom. That's
Okay.
really that's the only rotten part. But this one,
Okay.
look.
So you
Oh.
go. So when you
See how low that piece is?
Oh.
And in order for me to...
What are you saying, like all this has to go?
No, none of that has to go, but the piece is so low. That one's not so low. And the real hard part is like I need to attach it to something. You know what I'm saying? So my thought was to run a 2x4, like I could run a 2x4 here, connect it to the top part, and then that way I'll have something to hammer it into on the bottom. On that one, I don't know. Part of me almost wants to leave the door alone.
Yeah, but is he gonna say anything about the door?
That's just it. If I decide not to do anything, I'm taking a big chance of him being like, well, there's still rotten wood down there. The other option, but then I'm literally taking off all those pieces to put on the door. So this is this and that piece over there underneath the window is my fucking headache right now.
Oh, she's doing so good. Look at that nice white line. All right, we went around and painted all underneath. So that's all painted. We had to do the doors as well because some of that was rotted out. Hey, Sydney. So, I don't know if you can tell, but we did the doors. And now the doors at the bottom are painted. So now we're putting them in now. So we put this metal thing. Go ahead. Put this metal thing. And now we're just banging them in. The girls are over here. The girls are over here painting these. Alright, so this morning, this is what they got done before we got over here. Had some cleaning up at the house to do. So we had to bring it up all the way up to that window part because it was all just rotted out. And this is what we got done all yesterday. Yeah. Thank you. We still got that piece there. We want to do the bigger pieces and then come back and then like cut out that smaller ones. But we got all this done, primed it all. And then we have this still to do. Hold on. And then we have the bottom of that door to do. This side to do still. And we did all of this up until the end again, just because we have to cut that smaller part. So, I mean, got a lot done. Almost done with the work. She wants to help us paint.
Baby, remember yesterday I asked, is it emergency?
You do so awesome. Amazing painter.
3, 2,
Are you helping? Yeah?
there it is.
You do so good, baby.
Bag in there.
Can I try?
Yeah? We got another little helper. Awesome, baby. You guys are so helpful. So, of course, it started raining. Again, downpouring. But we got it all done. Now there's some dirt on it, but not much we can do about that. We got it all done. We even got that little bottom part. We had to take all that off, the doors, take that off, and then we put little pieces down there, and then all this. Looks like some of the paint washed off, but not much we can do about it. kind of whatever at that point. But for the most part, at least the other sides look good. We had to do the corners and everything. Corner over there, all the corners, so hopefully he likes it, hopefully it's good, and then we can close on this property.